Expanding a single bracket, we multiply the term directly outside the single bracket by each term directly inside. In this case, y times y will give us y squared, and y times positive 9 will give us plus 9y. Factorise means to put back into brackets. If we have two terms, we should always try single brackets first. The highest common factor in 5 and 10 is the number 5. Here we've got m, and here we do not have m, so it's not common. Therefore, it can't come outside. We now open our single bracket. What do I times 5 to get back to 5m when I'm missing m? The sign in the single bracket will always be the same, in this case plus. What do I times 5 to get back to 10? Therefore, I'm missing 2. When factorising three terms, we know it's going to factorise into what we call double brackets. As my quadratic starts p squared, then each bracket will start with a single p. The rule is I need to find two numbers that multiply together to give us the number term, in this case negative 10, and the same two numbers must still add to give us the number in front of the single letter, which in this case is negative 3. The only way to get a negative when multiplying is to have one positive and one negative. Listing out the factors of 10, we know 1 and 10 will give us 10. We know 10 is even, so 2 times 5 will also give us 10. The only pair which multiply to give us negative 10 and add together to give us negative 3, in this case, is going to be plus 2 and negative 5. If we're solving, we want to get the numerical value for the letter, in this case m, by itself. As I want to get m by itself, and I've got a single bracket, and the operation outside a single bracket means to multiply. Hence, the opposite of times by 7 is to divide both sides of our equation by 7. In this case, 7 over 7 will cancel, which will leave us with m minus 1. And on the right-hand side, 35 divided by 7 gives us 5. As I want to get m by itself, I need to put a negative 1 to the right by doing the opposite. Opposite of minus 1 is to add 1 to both sides. Negative 1 add 1 will cancel, leave us m on the left. And 5 add 1 gives us 6.